In primetime news this evening, another workplace cluster. Nearly 20 positive COVID cases at a call center in Montego Bay. Prison plan. Security Minister to unveil new strategy to control COVID numbers in detention centers. And $16 billion. Government spending more to shore up struggling economy. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the Business Day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the government discontinuing the practice of opposition MPs chairing all parliamentary committees?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.